stupid little voice. Whoa. Don't do it. This must be the way they used to play with the litter. She came from a big family, Vicky.
Oh, really?
They were about, I want to say, 7 of them.
Grace was one of 15.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
And they were all running around so fast you couldn't even tell who's who.
They're Vic in the grass.
Army maneuvers.
Seriously. Seriously, I've never seen anyone do that. Vic in the grass. I think Vicky's trying to get her to run.
Yes.
Look at these legs. Whoa.
Well, run!
Gentle. Come on. Come on, everybody.
Come on. Come on.
Come on. Yeah. Run this way. This way. Come on. Come on. Come on. Run, dog. Run.
Come on, Grace.